Hello, everyone. Welcome. Let's wait for a few minutes as we have a few more students to join. Once all of them have joined, then we will start our session today. Very good, very good. Very good evening. Don't worry, Prashant. How to get attendance? Your attendance is already there. I exactly know how to understand the students' work, so don't worry. Good evening to all of you. Let us today understand about some interesting topic. And the topic is about a technical thing that most of the people are so much scared of. People think, what is the meaning of data science? Data science. So today's topic will revolve around a topic which will help you understand about Python. I'll start the session in a few minutes. Meanwhile, let's wait for them to join. So today's session is about Python. Python means what? It's a snake. But today we are not talking about that snake. We are from e-commerce and digital businesses. We want to teach you about the technology that helps in making an unstructured data get structured. Okay? And unstructured data to get structured. So I want you guys to learn from me today, even if you're non-technical, even if you have an interest of learning anything in life, but one tool that we call as Python will always be useful, even if it is non-technical. Someone is here to learn about data science. Someone is here to learn about clinical trials. A lot of you are here for learning about digital marketing, e-commerce, marketing, and also also various other topics like business development. Hmm? But I want to just tell you something. For example, I'm just sharing my screen. You just look into this. Here's my screen. And here I'm going to write something. Carefully analyze this, what I'm showing you. This website is called gigasheet.com. Gigasheet.com. Okay. What it is written here, no code data science for thread hunting. Big data for small business. There are many posts. But why these all posts are with this company called Giga Sheet? My understanding for Giga Sheet is amazing. Giga Sheet is basically a data where they have got like thousands of Excel sheets where a lot of informations are already there. And these data were actually unstructured, but using Gigasheet, these all are structured. If you see this here, What it is written? Gigasheet filter and group big spreadsheets. Now I'm going to search something which will help you understand how it works. I'm working on a process which is based on Python. Gigasheet.com and searching about email database. Enter and what it is written. Fortune 500 email domains plus a spreadsheet download. Of course, we won't be able to do it immediately. We need to log in and then we will be able to, but let's click. Now you see this is an Excel sheet which is getting opened. Generally, what happens once you see this all information, you see that this is only Amazon. We need to understand why it is only showing us Amazon because it has searched about Amazon. We need to remove this and we need to remove this completely and we need to find by resetting this information and see what all additional informations we can get. So it has got 35 pages. That means it has got a data of 35 into 100, that is 3,500 data. And there are different companies like 3M, 3M.com, various 3M informations are there. 3M is the brand, right? So all different domains of 3M they have got. So you can select with company, you can select with domain, you can select with the ranking, you can select with the primary website. You can also select with the number of employees. But how do you select? So what you see here, data by type, this is chart symbol, this is table, and this gives us an understanding that a data point can be changed. Same if you click here, it shows you different information. If you click here, it shows you different information. That means big data actually helps you to divide the information and select and get you information as you want so that you can get the right content. Now let us select with company. For example, I want to filter this company detail. So I click on this and here in my company aspect, I'm just going to write, sorry, um, company, yeah, equal empty contains. What is the value? Let's say we want to know how many rows are there which has got this match that is 3M. There are many. These are total 500, right? Main companies. But we just want to find out how many rows have got information of 3M and we want to apply that. Now, since we have applied that, you can see that there is a lot of information which purely talks about 3M. And this is just one page. The result set is 27 of 3422 rows found. And if you see carefully, these are the details. That means now we have selected these informations only. Easy? Simple? Okay. It's very easy, right? Now, Giga Sheet gives you a lot of more informations. Now, to understand Python more effectively, I want you to understand this. Python is not some kind of technical thing. Of course, there's a technical aspect also of Python, but we will be mainly focusing on the non-technical aspects of utilizing Python tool. So how do we use Python effectively? There are a few tools which I'm going to ask you to research right now. Can you do this research for me? Open your new tab and to learn about Python, just write Python tools in Google search. Please do it for me. And I'm here to guide you further. I will even open it for you here right away. How many of you have heard about no code websites, no code tools? No code. The reason of no code is very important. The problem is everyone is looking for something which is technical, and the moment they start that work, they get stuck in the codes and all these things. How much even technical they are, they get stuck in that. So here I'm going to share my screen again, and you can explore this. I'm just going to share you the open source list which you can use. Even if you're not from the technical aspect, you can still use it. So first of all, a lot of you have a question that what is this thing I'm showing right now? See, it's very simple. The future of making any application based on your imagination can be done using no code. No code itself means there is no use of anything which is technical. That means you can just use the scripts which are preset, and these scripts and these tools will automatically design the things as you want. Now, these are some tools. The one which I was showing you right now was data visualization tool. What we were doing here, this is data visualization. What you're seeing here is data visualization, right? I'm just going to deselect all, or I may just reset this and see this data. What you are seeing here in this website is nothing but the data visualization, okay? The whole information what you're seeing here is a visual information of the data which is segregated in the columns and rows, and you can still change them, update them, so you can get the precise data. Did you use any code in this? You didn't use any code in this. You got the website details, you got the name of the company and many other informations. Now let's understand this. These are some of the tools which are no code websites. I want you to today do this small research on a tool called Zapier. ZAPIER. Today's homework for you. You need to go to YouTube. I'm serious, okay? I'm expecting you guys to do this. Go to YouTube, search about Zapier. And even you're from any background, whether you are from multimedia or e-commerce or digital marketing or Python or data science, anybody, kindly do this favor for me. These are the list of a few tools which you are seeing here. I want you to open the names of these tools in YouTube and do the research on the understanding of this tool. For example, what is Zapier, how it works. A lot of these informations are available here. Okay. And trust me, it's written, right? Zapier and ChatGPT. This is powerful. This is actually powerful because Zapier will automate the flow of your work. Yes, it works in building your business in automation. So your task is to research these tools, and then what next you have to do? Update these informations to me in support@iiec.edu.in that you have successfully completed these studies. So I want you to explore these informations on your own. This is the link. Kindly make a note of this link. I'm just repeating it. These are Python tools. I want you to research them. The first link is nected, nected.ai/blog/python no code. There is hyphen between Python, hyphen no, hyphen code. I hope all of you have heard me, right? Your work will be to study this website, Streamlight, then PySimple GUI, Beware, Node-RED, Zapier, and also Nected, and N8, N, and Unveil, and AppSmith. These are the websites or tools that you will be updating in YouTube, and you will be searching about this. You can get informations in your own language, but English will be better because you'll get more information. Okay? So this is all today, and your homework is to study them. I'm giving you good homework, so I'm not pressurizing you also. I hope you understand and respect me for this. I want you to learn this today. These tools will be useful in almost everything, whether you're doing the website designing, or you're doing the graphic designing, or you're doing e-commerce, or you're doing digital marketing, or you're doing business development. These informations that I have told you will be very much useful in the future. And if you have this learning, this will help you to gain a lot of knowledge and expertise in the domain that is the digital domain in future. So kindly go through this if you want to know more. Again, I'm sharing you nected.ai/blog/python/no code. If you want me to share this link, I'm just copying this link, and in the live chat here, I have updated this in the live chat also. So you can get this information from here. So this is going to help you a lot. Please go through this list of different tools and search about them in YouTube, and reply to me in support@iiec.edu.in that you have what you have learned about all these tools individually. This is very important, and I'm going to make a note of this. Please do it. And this will be the first step. The next step would be to work on any one of the tool practically and understand. I may use this tool or I may use another tool, but we'll be working on Python strategy step by step. Okay. So today's task is very clear for you. We have worked on the Giga Sheet, and we have worked on Fortune 500 email IDs, and we have understood how the data is segregated. And now whether it is 3,422 details, or this is a total number of a million data, it works same. Like example, I'm just going to show you here. Pre-list of consumer data. It's in Giga Sheet. Clicked here and open file in Giga Sheet. I'm just searching for data number 2, okay, for your reference. Like the previous one was how much? 3,400. How much is this? 1 lakh 14,418 data. How do you research this such big data? You can't research such big data because it's too much of data, right? So we need to understand country, founded in 2023, name, in which industry they are, their LinkedIn ID, their location, their name, their country, their region, how many people are working in their website. A lot of data are there. Now, if we want to work on shorting this, and we want this data also to have some information is not empty, and then search. So this will help us understand that out of these many data, now we are seeing only 83,000 data are that where the websites are there out of 1,14,000 data. So this is a basic learning. I want you guys to learn about this. If you want, I'm going to share this link to you, and you can do this research right away. Okay. So here I'm sharing this link as well so that you can do a little data research, okay? And you can learn about it more effectively. Perfect. So we are in the good understanding of what needs to be done. Now let's do it. Today's session is over. I want you guys to do this research, both about searching about this no code Python tools and working on a Python based tool that is Gigasheet, and understand how the data analytics can be worked. It's all about data. Understand the fact. And if you see here, previously we were seeing the data which were like a small 3,600 data, right? Now you're seeing 114,000, 1,14,000 data. Now, how many are numbers, how many are texts, and all other details are available here. Okay. This will help you understand how to work on data. I know it's new for you, but start working, then only you will learn. If you don't take the first step, how you will learn? So please do this, and you will be able to learn one small thing, and tomorrow one more small thing, and eventually you will be able to learn a lot of things which you have not learned previously. So I think that's all for today's session. Good luck, best of luck, and let's connect tomorrow. Tomorrow, I may not be doing the live session, but I want you guys to take your time and come up with the answer which I have asked you today. Come up with your answers on the different tools